Welcome back with Cooking with Chef Pup. We're always bringing you the good stuff. All right, today we're going to be seasoning some skirt steak, some pieces that I did have left that were small pieces. And basically what I'm going to season them with is salt, pepper, and I'm going to hit them with some Worcestershire sauce. All right, simple. That's all you need to do with this piece of cut of steak here. I mean, you can put any kind of seasoning on it, you know, that you prefer. But what I'm going to try with these here, I know it's already a flat piece of steak already, but you know, I want to see if I flatten it out just a little bit more. Just a curiosity of mine. All right, so. Just a little bit. That's about right there. I like that. All right. Yeah, that's about good right there. That's about good. All right, so let me do the rest here. Get some more in here, these little pieces. Because what I want to do, I want to cook them basically at the same thickness. All right. That's what I want to do. See, I'm feeling for them, so I can feel the thickness of all the rest of them. Basically. All right. Got 2 more pieces to do, I think. All right. 2 small little pieces here. All right. And this will be the last of this to do this. And that is it. Now, what I'm going to do now, get them all out here. These little strips. Right. Get them all out here. Okay. Now I'm going to need a dry hand now, so remove 1 glove. And here we go. Pepper, salt. If you also want to do garlic, but I'm changing it up with, instead of using garlic, I'm using the Worcestershire sauce. All right, now for the salt. Okay. All right, now I'm going to do the other side. Other side here. There we go. Now, with a pepper. All right, I'm done with the pepper. Now for the salt. You don't have to go crazy with the salt because it's a thin piece of meat. All right, I'm done with the salt and pepper. Oops. Right. Get it all on the plate. could use a bowl. Let me move this out of the way. Now, for the Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire sauce. People say it in many different ways. There we go. Just get it all mixed up. All right. There we go. It might not look pretty now, but I'm going to tell you what. When they go on the grill, the smell, the aroma that's going to come off this is going to be so delicious. All right. All right. So I'm going to keep it just like this. And then I am going to actually wrap this in some plastic wrap and place back into the refrigerator and let it marinate just like this until I'm ready to cook it. All right. So I'll be right back. When I start cooking it. Everybody, okay, welcome back to Cooking with Chef Puff. We bring you the good stuff. All right, so what we're going to be doing now, some pieces of skirt steak. If you saw me butcher and clean a large piece of skirt steak, this is the chef's cut. All right, so, and I'm also going to be blistering some tomatoes, and I have some corn on the cob that I previously cooked day before yesterday. All right, buttered corn. So I'm just gonna set that aside, but I'm gonna start basically the steak now. Let me get some EBO down. All right, and I'm also gonna be hitting it with some Worcestershire sauce, which I didn't bring out, but I'll go get it in a few minutes. All right, so gotta get this all nice and done here, but I do want to get my tomatoes down. I want to get those tomatoes nice and blistered for a salad. All right. So what I'll do, I'll just push these off to the side. All right. And now for the steak itself. All right. This doesn't take long to cook it off. All right. We'll see in a minute. Right. And I'll just take the rest of the juice with Worcestershire sauce. You can turn these two burners down off actually. Now I'm actually going to put the corn on. All right. So let me go inside and get the Worcestershire sauce, and I'll be right back. All right, here we go. All right. Let me get my tomatoes here. Turn around here. I want them almost to pop, these tomatoes. All right. So, they're looking real good right now. Worcestershire sauce. All right. Oh, smell it. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. It's smelling good. Oh yeah. Now, this skirt steak is just about done. All right. Doesn't take long to cook it. That's what I love about it. All right. Turn it down to low and just let it go. That's all you have to do right here. To me, this is my best steak between this and filet mignon. I just love it. Oh yeah. Like I said, all I seasoned this here was with salt and pepper and marinated with Worcestershire sauce. Ooh, that looks good. So, I'm going to close it for now, and I'll be back when I start to remove it from the griddle. All right, what I'm going to do now, as you can see, I have a nice salad here. I have sharp cheddar cheese, I have kidney beans rinsed off, and I have lettuce. And I'm going to take my tomatoes here, these cherry tomatoes. Now, these cherry tomatoes, if you bite them, they'll burst in your mouth. So I want to take them off now, because I don't want them bursting now, and just add them. Just add them to my salad. Come back, got a runaway tomato. All right, so here's my salad for the night for my family. All right, I'm going to close this up. Okay, that is definitely out of the way. Now I have the steak. Steak is ready. So we're gonna have to, three of us have to share this. But we also have corn and I also have a baked potato. All right. Now, once again, the griddle. How easy it is to clean. Now, that's how easy it is. And I just push it right back to the back drain. That's all that sugar from the Worcestershire sauce. And basically, that is it. And all I have to do is give it a slight little wipe down. All right. Slight little wipe down, and she will be ready for the next use. All right, got the wipe down. Get the corn over here. This griddle's still warm. All right, do have to get here a little bit. I'm not digging into the griddle, not at all. All right, that is done. Take my paper towels again and wipe this small little area. Like I said, you don't want to dig into your griddle. All right, so let me finish up this, and as soon as everything is together, I will plate, and I'll be right back. What's up? All right, dinner is ready. Okay, as you can see, let me get down on it. Get down on it. Get down on it. All right. All right, what we have baked potatoes. Okay, we have skirt steak and corn on the cob. And we have a beautiful salad. Basically, all it consists of is sharp cheddar cheese, kidney beans, washed and rinsed, and blistered cherry tomatoes On the Blackstone, it gives it a totally different taste profile. Delicious. And romaine lettuce. And to top it off with, we have creamy Caesar and balsamic. And sour cream for the baked potatoes. And if anybody wants, feta cheese also too. This is a meal in a meal. All right, but once again, thank you for watching. And I hope you give me a thumbs up. And subscribe and ring the bell so you get future notifications. And once again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video, and God bless you. Have a good day.